Hello everyone! This time we are going to create a 3D model using the shell and intersect command. Here is the reference for the dimension we will use. We start with Ctrl New and choose millimeter IPT. Start 2D sketch and select XZ plane. We make a circle with a diameter of 70 mm. Then another circle with a diameter 40 mm. The distance between these two circles is 70 mm. We project the z-axis and make it as a construction line. We project the x-axis again and make it as a construction line. Click the mirror command to duplicate this line. Repeat the same command to mirror this section. Extrude 300 mm. Then we move onto the YZ plane. We project these following lines. Make a point 5 mm from the top line. Then create a circle of 100-inch diameter and constrain the circle with the point. Make another circle with the same diameter, which is 100 mm. Constrain with the line below. Make a higher line and do the trim. Then we change the yellow line to the construction line so that it doesn't interfere with the extruding process later. Finish the sketch. Click the Extrude command. Select Intersect. Select all in the Extend column. Then choose both directions. Then we fill in 100 mm of the center. And we fill it with a radius of 5 mm on the edge of the profile. Click Shell command with a thickness 1 mm. Make a circle at the center point of the profile. And another circle on the right side. The diameter of the circle is adjusted according to the existing drawing. (40 mm) and 15 mm. Make a distance 70 mm between the two circles. Then a mirror. Finish the sketch. Click the Extrude command and choose the Cut command. Then we adjust the coloring so that it looks more attractive. Alright, that's the video this time. Watch the next video tutorial on this channel. Support us by pressing the subscribe button below.